Ronaldo, you can answer either English or Filipino. Even the question is English, you can answer in Filipino or English. Anyway, we are bilingual. Okay, for contender number one, the judge to ask the question for you is Sir Bongo.
Hello, candidate number one. Hello. Your question is, if you were to be the mayor of the local government, what would be the single most significant project that you would wish to accomplish and why?
Let's translate in Tagalog because I don't understand. Oh, baka hindi mo ako sure.
Go! Laban! Kung ikaw ang magiging mayor, ano ang isang project na iyong gagawin at bakit?
Ang gusto ko lang kung ako ang magiging mayor ay peace ang aking papasolong sa buong barangay. Because lahat tayo is hindi nag-iisip ng mabuti sa ating kapwa. Bagkos naunahan tayo ng pangamba at kalikaluan sa buhay. Kaya, lagi natin pakakatandaan na lahat tayo may karapatang magsalita, pero lahat tayo walang karapatang manira ng kapwa. Yan lamang po at maraming salamat.